Okay, so this is the typewriter. It came with typing paper and carbon paper. I don't know what either of these are for. I'm assuming this is what you type on. So there's that. This probably hasn't been used in ages. So it also came inside of this case, which closes and opens back up. And the case is a bit out of whack, but I'm sure I can repair that separately. Here is the typewriter itself. So I'm going to place this here while I just kind of use it. We have typing paper here. So I think I figured out how to load it. I'm sure y'all will tell me if I haven't. So that seems right to me. And then I individually went through all the letters, but if you can see it, I don't know any of the technical terms for this, but it almost seems as if there's no ink. So you can see the hammers are all working properly. However, nothing is showing up. J is the only handle that I can't seem to get to work, if I remember correctly. There might be one more, but I think J is the only one. So all of these, I'm going through the numbers now. All of these, and then occasionally one of these will get stuck. I'm not sure if that's something that's supposed to happen. This one is not working either. Okay. But especially Z, X, and C have a tendency to get stuck. So that's basically what I have going right now. Any help would be appreciated. I'm here to learn completely. I know absolutely nothing about any of this. So anything you're willing to tell me, that's amazing. And anytime y'all are willing to spend just typing up a post to give me some information would be really nice. I'm hoping to use this for personal use. Just for notes, I have a online thrift shop that I'm hoping to send out notes for with this if I can. If not, it'd just be nice to have. I'm not planning on selling it or anything. But yeah, thank you guys so much for the help and anything you can do. Thank you.